So,
We don't have
on
China and USA with us, right?
USA तो था, had USA. Yeah, USA is there. China is not there, but USA is there. Back to delegate of France.
So, honorable chairs, esteemed delegates, it is an honor to represent France at this Economical and Social Council Committee. Isabelle Hovin, the dream merchant, once said, "That's the positive aspect of trade, I suppose. The world gets tied up together. That's about as much as I have to say for it." Do you all know France has suffered one of the highest COVID-19 death rates in Europe? Yes, we have suffered the highest death rates. Still, we are standing with great courage to fight with this pandemic. Due to lockdown in the country, the industries have shut down and orders from foreign clients have been cancelled. France, along with several other European countries, have been forced to temporarily freeze large part of its economy to limit the virus. The European Commission has approved under EU state aid rules a 10 billion euro French guarantee scheme to support the domestic credit insurance market in the context of coronavirus outbreak. In the end, the delegate of France want to ask some suggestions from all the delegates present in this August gathering to improve the international trades among the globe, and the delegate of France believes that the trade and the economy should go hand in hand with the health of the country and everything will be re-established as it was before. Thank you.
The time has collapsed. Only 1 second is left. So, moving on.
Next is the delegate of Russia.
Economies of various countries have been affected due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Russia, being a major exporter of grain, has limited its sales to protect supply to ensure food security in the country. A third of the Russian economy has been impacted because of the coronavirus lockdown. It has fundamentally affected the market and it has become crucial to rely on neighboring countries for economic support. Russia's policy will now focus on avoiding mass bankruptcies and permanent economic losses rather than spending more. Russia's planned measures to fight the new coronavirus pandemic will be worth around 2.8% of its gross domestic product. The figure includes direct budget spending, tax cuts, and tax breaks, and direct state support for firms and households. The government of Russia has taken various measures to help people amid the pandemic, including increase in the amount of subsidies for small and medium enterprises, launching a service to help employees and employers on online inspection and facilitation of any conditions for industries affected by coronavirus. Countries need a common plan for action to stabilize the situation, support economies, and restore confidence in world markets. Global international organizations do not have a mechanism for automatic stabilization in the event of a crisis, so it is necessary to reorganize them efficiently and as soon as possible. It is necessary to ensure access to financing for countries that are hit by the pandemic and experience resource shortages, and a common plan is needed to support the global economy.
Okay, so your time has collapsed. Now next we have delegate of USA.
Good morning, delegate of the House and Chairperson. Through the prior permission of the Executive Board, the delegate is more than honored to be a part of this meeting and solve the proceeding issue at hand today. We would first like to express our interest in the issue concerning the economic rate fall in America. We, as United Nations of America, believe that during this pandemic, we all need to help each other and try to bring unity in existence. In addition, it will provide us with aid in solving a problem that is highly harmful and is sadly leading to eventual death of a large number of people in our nation. Now, if we talk about hospital, whatever you need is easily accessible. We still want to make hospitals even better. This battle will go long, and we, as United States of America, confident in ourselves that we will be able to give proper medication as well as treatment to our patients. What we have noticed is that many of the countries are struggling with corona treatment, but we believe that if America goes ahead with such excellent medication, then we might win the battle from this harmful disease. Threats such as new coronavirus, which caused the disease COVID-19, can have disruptive effects on the economy. It can disrupt the global supply of goods, making it harder for countries to fill orders. It can also waylay labor in affected areas, reducing labor supply on one end, on the other slow the demand for every country's products and services. Thank you.
Delegate, you have 20 seconds left.
Questions?
Okay.
Very good. Okay.
Nice. Has anyone
Are
any
there
question?
Any points? You have to raise point of information here.
Okay.
No questions?
Delegates, you can ask so many questions to USA. USA is actually suffering a lot
Exactly.
from this pandemic, so you can ask
And
Hello.
as much as possible. Yes.
Yeah,
Okay, Vidya.
I would like to ask that the decision of not locking down the country and to make the economy run was benefited, or it was a bad decision?
Can I answer through a wire check?
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any more question? We can have one more question.
Do you have any idea that how much time will it take?
Okay. First, tell me your portfolio.
UK.
UK. Okay.
Okay.
That how much time will it take to get? How much time will it take to recover your trade?
Word.
Can you repeat the question, delegate?
How long will it take to get back to your normal position in trade?
Okay.
It will take time, but we as Americans will be very not confident that we will improve it very fast. So let's see how much time more it will take.
Okay. And next in the GSL we have delegate of UK.
UK is the fifth largest economy with around 75% of GDP coming from service sector. Due to coronavirus pandemic, UK's economy forecasted to shrink by 11.5% while world's GDP will shrink by 13%. Trade challenges we all are facing today that are availability of labor, transportation restrictions, additional health and safety measures, and lack of demand. Since around 65% of UK's GDP comes from foreign trade, the economy has been badly affected by the above factors. Also, these factors will directly or indirectly affect business for next 4 to 5 years. Steps UK should take to revive economy and best foreign trade. More focus on manufacturing. This will reduce depending on services and also make country self-sufficient. Make the services sector corona ready by implementing best practices for hygiene, sanitation and social distancing, and by promoting high-end services like AI, etc. Thank you.
So, delegate, you have 20 seconds left with you.
Questions?
Okay.
Okay. Do you have any questions, delegates?
Yes.
India?
Yeah. So I want to ask the delegate of UK that in the news I am watching that UK is slowly opening up. So don't you think that it will increase the number of cases?
So we will be improving sanitation and we will hygiene for that.
Okay, delegate of India?
Yeah,
You
satisfied.
can have one more question.
Any one more question?
I would like
Delegate of Israel?
So my question to the delegate of UK is that as you said, UK is the fifth biggest economy and it's also providing a fiscal stimulus package to help its economy. So how do you think that, how are you going to improve your trade?
We'll be focusing more on manufacturing.
Okay.
so that we will be becoming self-sufficient.
Okay, thank you.
Delegate of Israel, are you satisfied with the answer?
Yeah.
Okay. So last we have the next speaker, Delegate of Israel.
Good morning, Honorable Executive Board and esteemed committees. 11th March 2020 is an unforgettable day in the history of humankind, as the World Health Organization declared the novel coronavirus as a pandemic. And since then, many countries have been affected by the virus, including Israel. As cases began to rise in Israel, our government tried to stop the spread as much as possible and has been successful too, with recovery rates at 80% and mortality rates only at 1.5%. During the course of discussion, I would like to highlight the measures taken by the Israeli government. The impact of COVID-19 on international trade is very severe, and I expect the shared knowledge of the esteemed committee will help us to find a solution to this crisis. I would like to quote that a time of crisis brings out the Israeli gene of innovation. To name a few, our experience in managing the startup innovations, medical technology, food security, and cyber security will be of use to all the member countries. Thank you.
Okay. Delegate, you have 30 seconds left.
I'd like to yield to questions.
Okay.
Any questions, delegates?
Yeah, I have a question.
Okay, Delegate of USA.
So basically, how are you balancing your economics?
Well, before coronavirus, our economy was actually very resilient and strong. So, henceforth, we haven't had so much of damage. And to manage our economy, we have added some loans for small businesses, and then we have a few fiscal stimulus packages, which we hope will help the economy.
Okay. So now can we raise any motion since the GSL is now over? We shall begin with the moderated caucus.